Guys, good evening. So in this video we will look after some stocks which is showing very good setups and which are at crucial juncture also. So we'll go one by one. So before that, I just want to give one disclaimer that this video is purely meant for educational purpose, not suggested anyone to take any trades. And before deciding anything, you can take the advice of your financial advisor before taking any trade. Thank you. So let's start with Amar Raja. So these are all weekly charts of all the stocks which I found very good to understand. So let us see how it goes. So here we go. Amar Raja battery, say for example, from here it has gone up till, see the fall of this candle is from 772 to 637. So here we can see there's a cluster of candles, then there is a one big candle, and today it has gone crossed above the highs and closed. Since this is a weekly candle, we need to wait for the weekly close. Don't rush, but these are the views that the next target can be 772. So in Amar Raja, I am expecting this RSI even to close, to go above 40 levels, to go above 60 levels, and then it will close at, it can go to 770 levels. It has already gone from here. If you see this candle, 635 is the low. So from 650 levels, I can say it has already went to 707, high 70718. So still 10% upside is there. Similarly, we are looking for a battery stocks right now, and then we look for the IT stocks. So if you see the battery stocks again, this Exide, once it is closed above 154.55, it is 155, but we're already up. So if this sustains, then for sure it will go to 165 levels. Again, here we can see 6-7% movement in Exide. So battery stocks looking really good. Good volume seen near these candles also. NIIT today, it's a big gainer today. NIIT. So here NIIT 1766. Again, this is a very big candle. Here I can expect NIIT to go till 1760 levels. So it has still have good up move, and it has good space to go up. Similarly for Wipro, guys, it is a 200 weekly EMA. Do understand this point of, see here, the consolidation always happens at these levels. Here also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles are there near this level. Here also, if you see the cluster of candles and then it moved up. So similarly, if it goes up, for sure it will go till 240 levels also. So 240 call looks to be an interesting bet. Mindtree again, again, see the importance of 200 EMA at any time frame. So this is on 200. So this you can see the cluster of candles again, and then up move again, support, up move. So next move can be till 1044, 60 rupees. So again 5-6% moves will be there in. So all in all the stocks showing good up move till minimum of 5 to 6% anytime. And keep this in your watch list. I will update this charts in my trading view also. You can subscribe this on YouTube also. I'll come up with the updates on YouTube again. So I'll come up with the next video of few other stocks where the setups are really good to go for long or short, whatever it is. So thank you. Thanks for watching. If you do like the video and do subscribe it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.